And that is our top story as we get started here at 4:30. Jose Ibarra's murder trial is set to start on Friday.
Yeah, but it's going to look a little different from criminal trials that we're used to seeing. Today, Ibarra appeared in an Athens, Clark County courtroom where he waived his right to a jury and asked the judge to be the sole decider of his fate. 11 Live's Grace King joining us now. So, Grace, you were in the courtroom this morning for this. The question here, why not have a jury? Why let a judge decide?
Well, Faith, it's hard to think about Laken Riley without thinking of the emotion in this case. There's a lot of heartbreak and anger, not only here, but across the country. Trial by judge typically focuses more on facts than feelings. On Tuesday, Jose Ibarra clearing the final hurdle before trial.
The trial will begin 9 a.m. this Friday.
Ibarra waived his right to trial by jury and will instead let the judge decide his guilt or innocence. He's accused of killing 22-year-old Laken Riley on the University of Georgia campus last February. A grand jury indicted him on charges of murder, aggravated assault, false imprisonment, and more.
This is a case that is really emotionally challenging. The murder of Laken Riley and the prosecution of Jose Ibarra has gripped this community more than anything else in recent memory.
Criminal defense attorney Joshua Schiffer, who isn't connected to this case, says a bench trial could benefit the defense because of the heightened emotions.
By using a bench trial, a lot of the bias issues and the notoriety issues are removed from the calculus of the prosecution. It's assumed that judges are going to be independent and unbiased because it's a core function of their job.
Special prosecutor Sheila Ross agreed to waive the state's right to a jury, too.
And the state has agreed to a bench trial.
Schiffer says that decision is typically a show of strength.
She doesn't have any fears about a judge not understanding the facts as she expects to present them, so it's not really a loss for her to trust a judge to do what she requests.
And the trial is expected to begin first thing Friday morning and continue into next week. Back to you.